Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Agregoge. I'm Lear, and today on this video I'm going to share a crochet bag tutorial with you. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. So we are going to start our video. So for this video we are going to make it in part wise. First I'm going to make the body and the shoulder, and afterwards I'm going to make the ribbon. So please follow me throughout the video. So for this video we are going to use this pink coral yarn and a 4mm hook with measuring tape and scissor. So for this video we are going to first make a slip knot. Like this and insert our hook in here and do a pull through. And now we are going to make a chain of 44. So just in case if you don't know how to make a chain, for me we are going to do a yarn over and pull through one, another yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. So through this we make our chain, and we are going to repeat this process and make our chain of 44. So after making the chain of 44 I will meet you back again. Just in case if you don't know how to count the stitch, I'm gonna show you how to count the stitch. So we are not going to count the one in here, and we are going to start counting from in here. We are going to start counting from here, 1, and this is 2, the next one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So through this we can identify the chain. So after counting up to 44 we are going to make our row 1. So here we have made our chain of 44, and now we are going to make our row 1. So for the row 1 we are going to skip this first stitch, and on the second stitch we are going to insert our hook and do a yarn over and pull through, again insert our hook on the next stitch and do a yarn over and pull through 1, and another yarn over and pull through 2. So this stitch we just did is called single crochet, and now we are going to repeat this single crochet for the row 1. So after making the row 1 I will meet you back again. So basically row 1 is of 41 single crochet. So after making the single crochet of 41 for row 1 I will meet you back again. So our row 1 is done, and we have made a single crochet of 41 stitches. And for the row 2 we are going to make a chain, turn our work. This we are going to insert our hook in here through 2 and do a yarn over and pull through 2. Again on this next we're going to insert our hook in here, 2 and 2. So we are going to repeat the same pattern for the next row. So our row 2 is done, and for the row 3 also we are going to make a chain, yarn over, turn our work and insert a hook in this next stitch and make a single crochet. And we are going to repeat making single crochet for up to row 23.
So now we have made a single crochet of row 22. We are going to make a chain 1 and pull through and fasten up the remaining yarn. Now we are going to repeat the same pattern just we did for another back portion. So after repeating the same pattern, we will get a same single crochet of box. Now we are going to make the shoulder. So for making the shoulder, we are going to make a slip stitch with chain of 12. We are going to make a chain of 12, insert our hook and pull through, chain 1, 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So after making a chain 12, we are going to insert our hook in the chain 11 space. In the chain 11 stitch, we are going to insert our hook and make single crochet. So if you want your shoulder to be lengthy, you can make it more lengthy. The chain 12 is for the breadth of the shoulder, and we will be making single crochet of rows for up to our desired length. And now for the row 2 we are going to make a chain of 1, turn our work and insert our hook in the next stitch. In this stitch we are going to insert our hook and make a single crochet. And for the row 2 we are going to make single crochet. So we have made the row 1 of the shoulder, and now we are going to make the row 2 for the shoulder, and we are going to repeat the row 1 for making the row 2. So for the row 2 also we are going to make single crochet of 11 with a chain 1. Here we have made single crochet of 2 rows, and now we are going to repeat this single crochet of rows for up to our desired length of shoulder. So if you want your shoulder to be lengthy, you can add more rows, or if you want your shoulder to be a little bit short, you can reduce the rows. So our shoulder is of 112 centimeter in length, which will be 44 inch. So after making the shoulder, now we are going to make our ribbon. First we are going to make the bow area. For the bow we are going to make a chain of 12. We're going to make a chain of 12, and we have made a chain of 10 and another 2, it will be 12. And on the 10th of the 10th chain we are going to insert our hook, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through another 2. So this stitch is called double crochet. So we are going to make double crochet for this ribbon bow, which will be of 10 double crochet, and we are going to repeat this making of double crochet for up to row 19. So our ribbon bow will be of 19 inches. So you can, if you want your bow to be a little bit larger, you can add more rows, or if you want your ribbon to be short, bow to be smaller, you can reduce the rows. Here our bow rope is done. We will be making a chain and fastening of our yarn. And now we are going to make our ribbon, and for the ribbon we are going to make 20 inches of long chain for the bow. The 20 inches will be of 90 chain. So we have made our 20 inches chain, and it will look something like this, much lengthy. So for making the bow we are going to add another chain 2 in this 90 chain, and it will be a total of 90 chain. And on the first, second and third stitch of the chain we are going to insert our hook with the yarn over and make double crochet. Make double crochet, and pull through 1 and pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through another 2, and this is a double crochet. We are going to make double crochet in the chain which we made just now. So we are going to make yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch and pull through 1 and pull through 2 and another pull through 2. We are going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of this row. So after reaching this end of the row I will meet you back again. The row 1 of double crochet for 20 inches is done. Now we are going to make a chain of 3. Turn our work, yarn over and insert our hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 and another pull through 2. So we are going to repeat the pattern of row 1 in order to make the row 2, and we are going to repeat this making of double crochet for up to row 4. So after making the row up double crochet up to row 4 I will meet you back again. So we have made our double crochet for row 4. We will fasten our row. So this is done, and now we are going to sew this both together. For sewing, we are going to use a darning needle. We are going to insert our hook and sew the end of the bow. After sewing the end of the bows together, we will get a loop and our bow is done. So after making the bow, we will move into the next step, and now we are going to connect the 20 inches with 19 inches ribbon which we just made before the bow. And to connect it, we are going to make a chain of 16. The chain of 16, we are going to insert our hook on the third last chain and make a single crochet of 13. So you know how to make the single crochet. We are going to insert our hook on the third chain and pull through one and another, pull through two, and our single crochet is done. We are going to repeat this for up to row 4. So after making up to row 4, I will meet you back again. So now we have made our ribbon, and now we are going to connect all the 3 pieces together. After sewing the ribbon all together, I will meet you back again. So for sewing, we are going to use the darning needle. So here our row, body and the ribbon is done, and now we are going to sew this all together. And for the sewing, you can use whatever you want. I will be using a crochet hook for sewing my piece. You can use a hook or a darning needle, it's up to you. So after making this process, my bag is done. So if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram.